Namaste, welcome back to the channel again. So today's video is a haircut and that is a hair tutorial video. I'm going to cut my own hair, yes, especially the bangs, and this is not the first time I'm doing this because last time of lockdown I have done this 3-4 times. I have cut my own hair, so I have that much of confidence, and this time I'm feeling a little bit of nervousness because this is doing I'm in front of the camera and I have put this video also, so I don't have any idea how it is going to turn out. So please wish me luck and fingers always crossed. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. But there is a twist. It is a TikTok hack. I have seen many videos related to this. Girls are trying and cutting their bangs so easily, so I thought ki let's give it a try. And as I already said that I don't know how it is going to turn out, so please don't judge. Let's hope for the best. So this is my hair. It's not curly, not straight, it is in between. I don't know what type of hair is this, but it's okay. Now what you have to do, keep all your hair back, and then with the help of this, take out the section how much you want to cut. I think I need more. It's not working, so let's do again. Take this. I think this is perfect. As you can see, here is this is it. This is the hair that I'm going to cut to create the bangs. Like that one. Now comb it. So before cutting, put some water in this. Let me do, then I'll show you. Now it's done. So make a mid section. Yes. Now comb it. This is how. Now what you have to do, just make it like this. Okay, and keep it here. I'm going this much only. This much. So this is the scissor. In this angle you have to cut it. I've done this. Now, oops. here. I'm confused. The length. Let me see it how it turned. So as you can see the layers, yes, it's so wait, I'll straight and then I'll show you how it looks like. So these are my Korean bangs. Yes, as you can see, it's not that bad, it's looking good. So you also can try this. And the length of haircut I have done is this much. Bad. Let me show you from the middle one. So basically it will look more good on straight hair. Mine is not, so it's okay. This much is also looking good. As this is the time of lockdown, all the parlors are also closed, so we can try this look at home only. You also can try. I hope you like the video. If you do, please do like, comment, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.